In this video, we're going to learn how to solve these repeated questions under maths. Alright, we're going to practice with 5 repeated questions for this topic. So let's get started. The first one I have here says, to determine the weight of an object, you could use a beam balance, use none of their methods, use any of these methods, use a spring balance. So the correct option to this question is what? Option D. To determine the weight of an object, you use a spring balance. So let's go to the next question. It says a spring balance measures I, the mass of a body hung on it, the Earth's gravitational pull on the body hung on it, the weight of the body hung on it. So the correct option this question will be I and I. So the spring balance can be used to measure the weight of a body hung on it, and also the Earth's gravitational pull on the body hung on it. So the correct option is option C. So let's go to the next question. It says spring balance is used to measure what? So the answer is obvious. Spring balance is used to measure weight. So the next question is a chemical balance is used for measuring what? So it's used for measuring mass of a substance. Alright, note it, a chemical balance is used for measuring mass of a substance. Okay, chemical balance is a beam balance basically. So the last question I have here is a spring balance measures what? I think we have answered this question. Alright, so the correct option will be option B, I and I. A spring balance can be used to measure the Earth's gravitational pull on a body hung on it, and also the weight of a body hung on it. So that's it for this video. Hope you learned something interesting from the video. Let's call it a video, guys. If you are new to our channel, ensure that you are subscribed to this channel for more of our videos. Also like, share, and comment on this video to know how you feel from what you learned. If you seem to have any specific questions to ask regarding what I've talked about in this video, feel free to leave your question in the comment section below, and I'll be sure to give you a response. Now click on the screen above, and I'll see you in the next video.